What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and today we have a breaking news on the first looks and the first images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel lately, then give this video a thumbs up and also press that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. The phone will feature an in-display camera sensor on the Z Fold 3, and we also have a marketing material from both of these phones coming from a trusted source. And all these leaks seems pretty real, as it seems like an legit Samsung marketing advertising leaks, and also you can see them. Now first in this, the under display camera is the most awaited feature in the smartphone innovation for a very long time now, and Samsung will be marketing its foldable device basically on that too. And other than that, we also have some information on the camera bumps and the design of the Z Fold 3. And this time around, the back of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 also looks pretty clean, and it's been inspired by the S21 lineup from the Samsung, as the earlier one was also based on the S20 and the Note 20 series. Which means that there will be no extended camera bump on the camera's back of the phone. So since this time the Note 21 Ultra will also not be coming alongside this, so the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be the flagship of this year and will also support S Pen series from the Samsung, but this will not be integrated such as the Samsung's Note 20 and the Note series, but it will be sold separately maybe, and it will not included in the device. Now this time around, the S Pen is also a much thicker and also easy to hold when compared to the Note series S Pen. Also this time around, Samsung will be using a new technology for the ultra thin glass to withstand the much more pressure from the S Pen series. Also talking about the Z Flip 3, it's also been revealed as the new design from the Z Flip 3. The phone will feature a larger viewfinder screen as compared to the Z Flip 3. And there will be a dual camera on the vertical position of this phone instead of the horizontal positioning on the black bar. And on the Z Flip 3, Samsung won't be using an under the display camera to withstand the higher pressure, and also it will be seeing a new colors varieties in the Z Flip 3. Also other than that, the Samsung will also be more durable, as it will be using the Gorilla Glass Victus, which is also a welcome change. So there we go, and these were the leaks and rumors which you need to know right now about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you like the new design of the Z Flip, or if you don't like this design too, also in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel lately, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel by hitting that red bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.